I just got back from Seoul, and while I was there, I decided to try to learn to read the Korean alphabet, and I was amazed by how easy it was. After just a couple hours, I actually got to a point where I could read just about everything on this Wikipedia page, and I'm going to teach you how to do it in about 5 minutes. So let's start with consonants and vowels. There are two consonants I'll teach and two vowels. This here looks like a bucket, so remember the B sound. This one looks like a nose, so remember the N sound. So those are two consonants. This is the tree. Now for the tree, we remember E. Here you have a line after the tree. So we take the A from after, and that's ah. All right, so we already have enough to learn a word in Korean. We have bucket, and then ah for after. Nose, and then ah for after. Ba, na, then another na. So ba, na, na. Let's do a quick Google search on banana, as I did here, and sure enough, you have bananas. So banana is banana in Korean. It's your first word. Here is a gun. All right, and the gun can also look like this, as in ga here. Either way, it's the G sound. Here we have a mouth, the M sound. This is the nothing. All right, so when nothing is at the beginning of a character, it's silent. You hear nothing. It's silent at the beginning. When it's at the end of a character, it's the NG sound. So either silent or NG. This is a ski mountain, and we'll take the S. Let's do another vowel. Now our line is before. So we're going to take the O as in before for when the line's before. Let's do another word. We have S as in ski mountain, A as in after, and M as in mouth. Sam. And here we have S as in ski mountain, O as in before, and that nothing is an NG at the end, so that's song. So Sam song. Let's go back to Google. And when we look up Samsung, sure enough, we have Samsung, which is the largest company in Korea. A few more. This is a ski atop the mountain, which is joy, so the J sound. And here is a skier with his hands raised, that's the champion, so the CH. So it goes SJCH. This is a rattlesnake, which is generally speaking an R for rattlesnake, or if it's the end of a character, it's often L. Another vowel, this is a brook. Looks like a river, we'll call it brook. That's the sound from brook. So let's learn more words. All right, we have gun, gi, we have the E for tree, and we have M, so that's gim. Here we have this ski atop the mountain, so that's the joy, that's J. The before, that's O, and that zero is NG at the end, so that's gim jong. Here we have the silent, because it's at the beginning of a character this time. We have the as in brook, and we have the nose, so that's N, so that's un. So Kim Jong-un. And now if we want to get his dad, we have the silent, we have the tree, E, and we have the rattlesnake, which when at the end of a character is often the L sound, so that's il. So we have Kim Jong-un, Kim Jong-il, which I'm sure you know what you're going to see here with a Google image search. You have Kim Jong-un and Kim Jong-il. Let's do the remainder of most of the consonants. We have, this is a door, so that's D. This is a part 2, the Roman numeral 2, that's the P sound, and this looks a bit like a golf hole, so that's H. For hole, more vowels. Above or over the brook is the O sound. Here we have a line over, here we have a line under. We're going to take the U from under, that's U. And one thing Korean can do is give you 2 lines instead of 1. I say, why are there 2 lines? We just add the letter Y to the beginning of the sound. So this was under U, with 2 it's U. Here over O becomes yo, A for after becomes ya, and O as in before becomes yo. One more or 2 more vowels I'll teach you. You have 2 trees with a line in front, or 2 trees with a line in the middle. Either way, that's A, as in play. I don't have a trick for it. Koreans can tell a difference between these 2 characters. To me, they sound the exact same, so let's just go with A for those. All right, so let's just do one more word before finishing. Gun, A as in after, and NG for nothing, that's gang. And here we have nose, A as in after, mouth, so nam, so that's gangnam. All right, and we'll do a quick YouTube video search. And sure enough, we have Gangnam Style. We just learned to write Gangnam. And if you go back to this Wikipedia page, this is actually the page for Gangnam, which if you look at the bottom here, you can tell it's just a neighborhood in Seoul. So that's about it. Hope it helped.